everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the DAG representation of the basic block. DAG means directed acyclic graph. So if you start from any point and if you come back to that point only, there will be a formation of the cycle. So this must not happen in the directed acyclic graph. So there will be no cycle formation there. So we will be having two terms which we will be discussing in the complete video. The first one is internal nodes, and the second one is leaf nodes. So in this internal nodes, what are the value you can store? You can store the value of operators like plus, minus, addition, like that, anything. Next, or you can store the results. Here in the leaf node, you can store the variables. So you can store the value of variables. So let's discuss these two problems which are of type 1. Next let's discuss the type 2 problems also. So here there is given set of instruction: a is equal to b plus c, b is equal to a minus d, c is equal to b plus c, d is equal to a minus d. So let's use them and construct the tree again. Using this instruction, let's represent them using a DAG, that is directed acyclic graph. So if you see, the first instruction is a is equal to b plus c. So a is the result of b plus c. So b will be here, next c will be here. So b plus c will be a. So what I said, leaf nodes will be having the variable value, that is b and c. Next, the internal nodes will be having the operators and the results. Next, a is over. Second equation is b is equal to a minus d. We know the value of a. A is here, a minus d. So a minus d will be b. So you can write the result here, b. Next instruction is c is equal to b plus c. So we have the value of b here. So b plus c will be the c. So the result will be c itself. Next, d is equal to a minus d. So a is here, minus is here, d is here. So already you have formed. So comma d you can write here. So b and d will be the results of the same equation, that is a minus d. A minus d will produce the results as b and results as d. Now let's represent this one. So the first equation is a is equal to b plus c. So b plus c will be a. Next, b is equal to b minus d. So b I am having here, b minus d. So the result will be b. Sorry, this is not d. Result will be b. b minus d will be b. Next, c is equal to c plus d. I am having the value of d here. I am having the value of c here. So c plus d will be c. c plus d will be c. Next, e is equal to b plus c. So b is here, c is here. So b plus c will be small letter e. Like this is of the type 1 DAG representation of basic block. Let's move on to the second one, that is type 2. So now this is the type 2 questions. We are having two. So if you see here, multiplication is there, then after we are having minus. So this minus will be called as the unary minus. This minus will be called as the unary minus. When you approach the unary minus, first preference you must give for unary minus. So minus will be here and this will be c. C and minus is over. Next, b into unary minus with c. So b into unary minus with c, no? So into b. So b minus unary minus into c. So this much is over. Plus you must write. But if you see here, b into minus c. b into minus c. Same is there. So instead of writing 2 times, I will be giving the 2 loops here itself. So b into minus c plus b into minus c will be equal to a. So will be equal to a. So will be equal to a. So you can see the full representation of that. A is equal to B into minus C plus B into minus C. So you give the loop here only because it is coming 2 times. Same thing is coming 2 times. Next, let's see this problem. You will understand much easierly. So A into B plus C. Here also A into B plus C. Between them minus is there. Same like this, you can give the loop. So first construct A into B plus C. So first precedence will be for multiplication. So A into B. Now A into B plus C. So into is there plus C. So A into B plus C and again A into B plus C. Minus will be here. A into B plus C again loop minus A into B plus C. So this much is over. You will assign it to A. So is equal to A. Simple. So instead of writing 2 times, when there is a repetition, you will add a loop. So this is a type 2 problem. So hope you understood how to represent the basic block using the directed acyclic graph. If you have any doubt on this topic, please comment below. I will try to clarify it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related videos. Thank you.